Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at an investigation question on the homeostatic control of carbon dioxide levels. Question 3.4. Wearing a face mask is recommended to reduce the spread of coronavirus. There are some concerns about the efficiency of breathing when wearing a face mask. Scientists investigated the effect of wearing face masks on the carbon dioxide levels in the blood. They obtained permission from 150 healthy volunteers aged 30 to participate in the investigation. Applied a sensor to the participant's skin to measure the carbon dioxide levels in the blood. Asked the participants to sit still for 10 minutes without wearing a face mask, sit still for 10 minutes while wearing a face mask, exercise for 10 minutes without wearing a face mask, and exercise for 10 minutes while wearing a face mask. They then allowed a 15-minute interval between each 10-minute phase, recorded the carbon dioxide levels at the end of each 10-minute phase, ensured that the face mask covered the nose and the mouth. Question 3.4.1. Identify the A. The dependent variable. The dependent variable is wearing a face mask. B. The dependent variable in this investigation is the carbon dioxide levels in the blood. Question 3.4.2. State two factors that were taken into consideration in the selection of the participants. Many factors were taken into consideration, some being the age of the participants, that all 150 participants were healthy, therefore healthy individuals. Question 3.4.3. Give one reason why the results at the end of this investigation may be considered reliable. As we can see in the investigation, 150 volunteers were used. Therefore, this is a large sample size. Due to a large sample size, this reduces the chance of outliers and makes the data more consistent. Therefore, the reason the results are reliable are due to the 150 volunteers used. Question 3.4.4. Explain why scientists allowed a 15-minute interval between each phase. They allowed a 15-minute interval to allow the carbon dioxide levels in the blood to go back to normal. This allowed each phase to have the same carbon dioxide level as a starting point. Question 3.4.5. Give a reason why the carbon dioxide levels were measured while participants were sitting still. They were measured while participants were sitting still to act as a control or baseline for the investigation. This allowed the scientists to see if the face mask affects the carbon dioxide levels even though there is no physical activity taking place. Question 3.4.6. Describe the homeostatic control of carbon dioxide when it is high in the blood. When the carbon dioxide levels are high in the blood, receptors in the carotid artery are stimulated. They send impulses to the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata then stimulates the heart to beat faster. So, therefore, more carbon dioxide is taken to the lungs. The breathing muscles and the intercostal muscles and the diaphragm are also stimulated to contract more actively. This allows the rate and the depth of breathing to increase. Due to this increase, more carbon dioxide is transported to the lungs and exhaled. The carbon dioxide level in the blood then returns to normal. And that's all for this video. Thank you.